Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to increase RAM or memory in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. After that scroll all the way down, then go to device care option. Now from here go to memory and give it a moment. After that scroll down a bit, and at the bottom you can find RAM plus option. Just tap here. That's it. Now here you can see two options, 2GB, 4GB and 6GB, and you can increase your RAM from here. Just tap here to enable this option and then choose any option. If I select 6GB and then tap on OK, now the phone will take restart, and after restart 6GB RAM will be selected in your phone. So just tap on restart and that's it. You can see the phone is taking restart, so just give it a moment again and the restart is complete. If I go to same settings again, just go to device care, then go to memory, then go to RAM plus, and that's it. You can see RAM has been increased successfully, and that is how you can increase RAM or memory in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.